Hello, people. So, this is my sixth video of the day, and people, I have to say this that today I have my little duckies. I shoot sitting on this bed where I sleep, where I'm like, so it's like normally I don't allow my pets onto the bed and all, right? And ducks, oh my god, you should see the level of poop. It's like, oh, I mean, level of poop means they keep pooping. It's level of poop means they poop just this much, but it's like you have to just keep cleaning. But I realize these ducks, they have that imprinting. So in their tiny little minds, I'm their mom. So putting them in the balcony and all is, and it's so hot, right? Balcony means line it with newspaper so that it's. So no, I'm feeling so special about this that I have these little two little souls here. You can see them. So so this is an experience for me. So but I highly recommend keeping ducks as pets. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.